In this section, we are going to understand about our open inventory and open purchase order data set. First, we are going to look into open inventory data set. The A column is used to input the item number of each part. It is important to use a unique identifier that is easy to reference and understand. For example, you could use a SKU number or a part number provided by the manufacturer. B and C columns are used to input the description of each part. It is important to provide enough detail to easily identify the part. For example, you could include the name of the item, its size, color, and any other relevant information. The D column is used to input the total open inventory for each part. This is the total number of items that are currently in stock and available for sale or use in production. It's important to keep accurate records of inventory levels to ensure that you can meet demand and avoid stockouts. If you are using pre-materials issue against your production orders, don't worry, we will create separate application to make your life easier. Next, we are dive into open purchase order data set. The A column is used to input the purchase order number. It is important to use a unique identifier that is easy to reference and understand. This could be a number assigned by your company or a number provided by the supplier. The B column is used to input the purchase order release date. This is the date when the purchase order was issued. It's important to keep accurate records of purchase order release dates to track lead times and plan accordingly. The C column is used to input the buyer. This is the person or department that is responsible for placing the order. It's important to know who placed the order in case there are any issues or questions about the order. The D column is used to input the vendor code or supplier. This is the unique identifier for the supplier that is providing the goods or services. This could be a supplier number assigned by your company or a number provided by the supplier. The E column is used to input the supplier or vendor name. This is the name of the supplier that is providing the goods or services. It's important to have the supplier name for easy reference and communication. The F column is used to input the purchase part item number. This is the unique identifier for the item that is being ordered. This could be the same as the item number used in the open inventory data set. The G and H columns are used to input the description of the item being ordered. This should match the description used in the open inventory data set to ensure consistency. The I column is used to input the quantity of the item that is being ordered. This is the total number of items that are being ordered from the supplier. The J column is used to input the quantity received from the vendors. This is the number of items that have been received from the supplier so far. It's important to keep track of what has been received and what is still outstanding to ensure that you have the items you need. The K column is used to input the open quantity which is still pending from the vendors. This is the number of items that have not yet been received from the supplier. L column is used to input the unit of measurement. This is the unit that the quantity is measured in. It's important to use consistent units of measurement throughout your data set to avoid confusion. The M column is reserved for future data. This is a placeholder for any additional information that you may want to add to your data set in the future. The N column is used to input the supplier agreed date. This is the date that the supplier has agreed to provide the goods or services. It's important to keep track of this date to ensure that you have the items you need in a timely manner. It's important to maintain your open inventory and open purchase order data in a clear and consistent manner. This will help you to manage your inventory effectively and ensure that you have the right products in stock when you need them. Additionally, it will make it easy to track and analyze your data in order to identify opportunities for improvement and make informed decisions for the future.